Just down the road from that bridge is another community, and they're coming together to help a family impacted by the flood. And KVUE's Jessica Cha spoke with them about how it's a miracle. Almost a dozen of their family members are alive.
If you know about the Snyder Ranch in Leander off of Nameless Road, you know it's where people gather.
All of our birthdays, holidays, we have like 20 people come over. It's just the go-to place. Yeah, I mean, it's home.
And this 4th of July was no different. Except this year, the family gathered to watch what was unfolding in Kerrville, according to Jeannie Snyder, Hartman's mom.
We were praying for them because they needed rescue, they needed help, and so we were aware of it. But we had no idea. I mean, we were out of the flood zone, so we weren't even worried.
But that night, the rain started to fall in Travis County. A call from a concerned friend happened to wake up Hartman, who was sleeping in a mobile home on her parents' property with her husband and 2 kids.
So she looked out the window and the water was already up to the bottom of the window.
Snyder says her daughter and husband grabbed their kids and made their way to the main house to warn everyone else.
But by the time we opened the door, the waters rushed in, and so we ran up the stairs.
6 adults and 5 kids gathered in the upper room as floodwaters washed everything away downstairs. And eventually, the house itself.
It moved 3 feet forward, and the 3 trees in the front of our house stopped it.
Eventually, rescue crews came in to get them out.
It's a miracle that we're alive. And we're just, you know, all of this, we can deal with this, it doesn't matter. But we have each other.
It was a difficult decision, but the Snyders demolished the place they called home on Wednesday.
The Snyders say this house has been the gathering place for their family for over 20 years. And while it may be gone now, it has not stopped people from gathering here.
The community, I tell you, I mean, they've come together. It's unbelievable. People we know, people we don't know. We've had so much help.
It's just materials. The memories are in our heads, and we won't lose that.
So now the gathering place is wherever the Snyders are. In Leander, Jessica Cha, KVUE News.
And the Snyders are trying to raise money to relocate and build a new house somewhere else. If you'd like to help, we'll post more with this story on our website, KVUE.com.